Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're having trouble with Marcus Bill Play, here's how to resolve errors quickly. First of all, verify that the payee's information and ensure the account has sufficient funds. Next, head over to your app store and then check for the app updates and install to the latest version. Installing your app to the latest version means to update the app. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so make sure to update it to the latest version. Then you'll have to open the app and then log out and then log back in to refresh settings. After that, restart your phone if necessary. Then contact Marcus support if the payment still does not process due to maintenance or system issues. Once these steps are completed, your bill pay should work without any problem, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.